Hey there, how much rent do you pay in Bangalore?
20k.
Where do you live?
BTM. I mean, this is my house.
What is the setup like?
It's a 2 BHK and I'm sharing with a girl.
Can we get a house tour?
I mean, why not? We are already here. You guys will have a coffee. This is my nest, I'll call. So it's basically Jugaad. How to make use of the space we have. So this is our cute living room. This is my room. I rented the few necessary things which I want. As you can see, there is a wardrobe. My light source is this cute window. That's my go-to-go corner. So one pro tip I'll say, if you guys don't have space for a proper table, go find space in the wall, I'll say. So this is a fridge we rented from Rento Mojo. And this is our kitchen. These are my cute putty ceramic things which I got from Delhi, by the way. It's a neat, cute place, and I felt the 9,000 rupees I'm spending worth it. So
You're a very independent, self-saving, but fancy girl.
fancy, strong girl. Gym.